Good afternoon. My name is David Grothus. Today's date is April 26, 2017. This is an extremely important speech for you to contemplate. I have music in the background that reflects the urgency and seriousness of my message that I have for you today. The title of my speech is Civic Order or Civic Disorder. Our government right now is sanctioning the undermining of civic order, the common defense, domestic tranquility, by not holding accountable those in political power, their duty and legal obligation to enforce the law at all times. Illegal aliens have broken federal law. Where does the present President Donald J. Trump, the governors, Jerry Brown, mayors, the police chief, Mr. Charlie Beck in Los Angeles, choose to not enforce a federal law that has been broken, get their authority? Where's their authority come from by not choosing to enforce the law? To rebel against civic order and the rule of law brings chaos and disorder. Is the United States a nation of laws which are to be enforced by the police, which provide the liberty and the freedom to seek happiness with civic order or with civic disorder? Every law that is broken and violated has consequences. It is the duty of the government to maintain public order through the enforcement of the law at all times. The word militia is in the Constitution, which is to be utilized by the governor and the president to repel all invasions. Right now there are 10 million plus illegal aliens that need to be detained and deported today. If the president, Mr. Donald J. Trump, and the governor in California, Mr. Jerry Brown, and the governor of New York do not enforce federal law when it is violated by more than 10 million illegal aliens, then they are not doing their jobs as chief executive and as governors of their respective states. They are both failing to uphold their oath of office they swore to defend. Our government is collecting taxes to do a job to maintain civic order that it is not doing right now, and few people are calling attention to this failure. My question to you and all Americans is, why are they receiving a paycheck, which is taxes collected from law-abiding citizens to do a job they have a legal obligation to do, and remain in office without doing it? Every illegal alien has violated federal law. Is domestic tranquility and securing the common defense important and vital to your personal peace of mind as a citizen? Executive laziness is the root of all civic disorder. Neglect of duty is the root of all civic disorder. Kate Steinle died because of a collective laziness and indifference to the rule of law by both the federal and the state government, which abdicated their constitutional duty to protect their communities from lawbreakers, individuals who have violated federal law, who have trespassed into the United States. Ignoring the law does not bring civic order. Ignoring the law will bring more harm and death to innocent citizens. Every police officer who looks the other way when they see an illegal alien and they fail to do their duty to enforce the law to detain that illegal alien, they are guilty of violating their legal duty to protect the citizens they receive a paycheck from. The law is made by Congress to be enforced. The Constitution is the basis of our government's legal duty. Failure to enforce those laws that are made by the Congress and then violated by 10 million illegal aliens who have crossed our border, and they do not enforce the rule of law, they are going against the will of the people, which is a violation to not enforce the rule of law. Civic order or civic disorder, which will you prefer? The Constitution is mandatory law. It's not something that anyone can go against without consequences. You have a great day. Contemplate what I've shared and share this with your friends, your neighbors, and anyone that you think would listen that is in public office today. God bless and goodbye.